So hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, learn and grow. So in this video, we will be learning about string functions. So this is the last video related to string functions. After this, we will be jumping into date functions. So in this video, we will be learning about a replace as well as substring, right? Replace function as well as substring. Replace is nothing but it is used to replace a particular string. If I want to be I'll select the total data. So see, I want to replace, there is a name called Virat Kohli, right? I want to replace Virat with only V. Joe, Joe root with only J. Only Kohli hoga, but in place of Virat, there will be only V. In place of Joe root, there will be only Joe. Vaisa. So the syntax for replace is like, I will say, will be executing in the MySQL server. Select replace keyword and what column you want to perform the operation. It's like name, right? It's the name, right? On the name column we have to perform the operation. So name, what is the old string? Old string is Virat, and the new string is I want to replace Virat with only V, right? From cricketers. So wherever there is Virat, it will be replaced with V. Actually, in our data, na, there is only one Virat, but if you are working with large data set, na, wherever there is Virat, it will be replaced with V. So let's execute this. So yeah, Virat is replaced with V, and let's do other one. I want to Joe is should be replaced with Joe J. So wherever there is Joe, not like in a like if we take a big table like which contains millions of records and data, if there is a like there are 100 people with Joe, if we use the replace keyword on the word Joe, the Joe will be replacing with the letter J in the large data sets. Let's assume if you add large data sets, the Joe will be replaced with the J. So see here, Joe is replaced with the J. This is about a replacer. And next, let us learn about substring. Substring is nothing but let's again select this. See, I have not yeah, like I have not used the keyword commit. So these all are temporary. They will not be stored permanently in the database. If I didn't use a commit, right? We have discussed in the starting lectures. So so this is the data, like all the rows and columns, right? So in let's say batsman, bowler, New Zealand. Okay, let's go with the role. This time let's go with role for the substring function. I want to know. I want to know like what are the I want to fetch only the three words of the role. First three words of the role. Right? We can use that in left function also, but here we want a specific only three words. We will go with name only. Name is perfect. Like we want only first five letters, like first five letters of the total name. So what we can the syntax is select substring substring substringer, and the column is name, right? Name. We have to enter The first value of we want only Virat. We don't want any Kohli. And in Steve Smith, we will be getting only Steve. In Babar Azam, we will be getting only Babar. In Kane Williamson, we will be getting only Kane. Why? Because the space is also counted as a string, right? So, Vaisa. So the first letter of V is the first letter of Virat Kohli is V, as well as the fifth letter of Virat Kohli or Steve Smith में E T है. So I'm giving the fifth letter as a input from टेबल का नाम cricketers है. This time I have remembered it perfectly. So yeah, and let's run this. So we got Virat like first five letters, only first five letters. Joe, Steve, Babar, Kane. So if we want the particular string from the total string, that is the reason why the name of the function is a substring. If we want a substring from the total string, we can use this function. For example, let's take the total data. Select star from select star from cricketers, right? Cricketers. So yep, we got the total data, and I want the first three letters of India. Let's roll. Roll 1, 3. 3 is nothing but the ending letter and 1 is nothing but the starting letter. I want to end with the third letter, so I'm giving it as 3 from cricketers. क्या table? Cricketers table sir. So if we run it, oh row, right? Bad. BOW is nothing but a ball. AWL is nothing but a all. If we go with the country. So from country again we got the country code as in the England first letter to third letter only. So this is all about string functions, guys. In the next video we will be deep diving into date functions. Date functions are also very important functions in order to clean the data. So thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.